In this video, we are reviewing Scribe, a tool that automatically turns your actions into step-by-step guides. We will quickly cover what it is, its key features, pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth using. What is a Scribe? Scribe is an AI-powered documentation tool that records your screen while you perform a task. It then automatically generates a step-by-step guide with screenshots and instructions. It's mainly used for creating SOPs, training materials, and onboarding guides without manually writing everything. Key features. Number 1, automate guide creation. As you click through a process, Scribe captures everything and builds a full guide instantly. Number 2, screenshots and text instructions. It doesn't just record video, it creates structured guides with labeled screenshots and clear steps. Number 3, easy editing. You can edit steps, blur sensitive info, and customize instructions after recording. Number 4, sharing and exporting. Guides can be shared via link, exported or embedded into tools like Notion, Google Docs, or training platforms. Number 5, team collaboration. Teams can build and organize documentation together, making it useful for companies and support teams. Pros. Saves a lot of time creating documentation, very beginner friendly, no technical skills needed, great for onboarding and training employees, clean and professional looking guides, works directly in your browser or desktop tool. Cons. Free plan is limited, works best for simple workflows, not complex processes, requires internet connection, some manual editing is still needed for polished results, not ideal if you only need traditional screen recording videos. Pricing. Scribe offers a free plan with basic features, paid plans unlock advanced sharing, team features, and more control over documentation. Pricing is more suited for teams and businesses rather than casual users. Final verdict. Scribe is a powerful tool if your goal is to create fast, clean, step-by-step guides without writing everything manually. It's especially useful for teams, training, and documentation-heavy work. But if you only need screen recording or video tutorials, there are better alternatives. Overall, Scribe is worth it for productivity and documentation workflows. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please consider like and subscribe. And tell me down below in the comments if you have used Scribe before or not. Turn on the bell icon to get all the new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in a new review.